Look at all this. Look, that is Ghanacard. Oh. These are Ghanacards. Something people struggled to do. Something people fight for, but still they didn't get. Look at all this. Look at all this. They are going to burn all this. What for? Look, over millions of Ghanacard, over millions. Why would they burn this? What is the reason? What is the reason? They are just wasting Ghana property, Ghana resources, Ghana money for nothing. Look at all this. Is it a curse or is what? Even these very Ghana cards, people actually suffered doing this. People have slept at the various centers, leaving their homes. They slept at the various sectors where the cards were made. But yet, people slept there for more than 2 weeks. People slept there for about 3 weeks. But yet, those who were fortunate, they were able to get it. But it's not all of them who were able to get it. Look at this. NIA has applicants' number, or they have their numbers. They allow them to be moving ups and downs. Their cards are there. They have their numbers. They will not call them, but they prefer keeping the cards. And now they are going to burn all this. What for? And all this, is it not causing financial loss to the states? Is it because they are not doing their works well? Is it because they don't know their job? Whose responsibility is this? Is it the applicants? Now the applicants will go to the head office trying to collect their cards. They will direct them to different places all together, and they will go there too. They won't get their cards. So you see that the applicants, that is both Ghanaians and non-citizens, they will just be moving up and down. And at the end of the day, what do you think they are going through? One, their time have been wasted. Time wasted. Two, waste of energy. And three, waste of money. Because the money they will be using, taking transports here and there, they can equally use it to do something else. But now they will be moving to all those places. It's not all of them who actually get their cards. Now, could you imagine somebody all the way in the voter region, registered there, have done everything there, for about 2 years now, still they cannot trace the card for that person. That person's card is in Accra, Greater Accra. Meanwhile, the person has not been to Accra before. He has never done that card in Accra, but yet his or her card is right here in Accra. Is it that the system is not working? Or what people have been saying that the system is not working? Is that true? Is it because the NIA boss doesn't know his job? What actually is the cause of all this? Is the government or the president aware of all this? All these are questions. Are they really accounting for all this? Or are they actually, do they have the experience? Are they credible? Can they be relied on? Is actually a question that should be answered. Or is it because they are happy wasting the time of the applicants, that is the both Ghanaians and then non-citizens? Are they actually happy about